the conviction rate of even when they arrested people? It is zero. I mean, this is a country that is on an autopilot in terms of the rule of law.
Isn't it sad?
Absolutely.
As a senior counsel, isn't it sad?
Absolutely. I mean, how can you have a country where people are not jailed for offenses? How can you have a country where people kill others and they are not even prosecuted?
And the tragic part about all this, Grand Mullah, is the fact that in 2 weeks' time, we'll have forgotten all of this.
Absolutely.
We have a myopic with the memory of a warthog, most of us.
No, I call it actually, it's an episodic reaction. Kenyans reacted to an episode, they forget about it, and then it's business as usual. I can tell you that 2 months down the road or a month down, there will be another killing, there will be another outrage, we will go on. But I think my view is that the buck stops with the president. When there is magnitude, when there is a killing on this scale, systematic, sustained killing on this scale, the buck stops with the president.
What does he do? Does he fire Mahora? Does he get rid of him?
No.
What does he do?
I mean, he must be told, or he must ask who is doing all these killings, and he must take action. And if he doesn't do that, Kenyans will rightly blame him for all this. Yes.
I can't believe. What if Willie was not a prominent lawyer looking for IPOA? What if he wasn't? What if he was just some,
But that happens every day, I mean, there are so many innocent Kenyans that are being killed on a daily basis because they are not high profile, nobody questions. I mean, there is no investigation. I mean, the criminal investigation department really doesn't have the capacity to investigate any crime in Kenya. Zero.
In your opinion, should Mahora go?
Yesterday. Not because I have an issue with him.
Yeah.
I mean, he's not really the right guy. I mean, he has no experience in criminal investigation. Everybody knows how he was given the job. His tenure has been disaster. I mean, law and order has gone to the dogs. People are being killed. Petty offenses are not being investigated. I mean, it's a Byzantine. It's a tragedy here. It's a tragedy.
You say all this, and one of the reasons I like you, my friend, is because you fear nothing.
It's not really that. It is every Kenyan feels this. Every Kenyan knows that this has, in terms of our police, in terms of our criminal investigation department, I mean, it is lawlessness. I mean, this is the Wild West. Anything can happen. Anything. If someone steals money today from a bank, there's no investigation. Nothing happens.
Yeah.
Yes.
Back in the day when we had the likes of Ignatius Nderi, remember CID boss?
No, of course. I mean, Kenya had a very good police commissioners and CID heads. The problem is that the system has collapsed, and everybody knows that. Unfortunately, when we had this police service commission, everybody thought that they will clean the place, and they are doing this vetting where people make jokes about how they have made money.
Yeah.
Police officer saying that he has made millions by escorting some Indian gods.
And they're allowed to do that.
It's a comedy,
They get away with it.
It's a comedy, total comedy. You can't have a police force. And we spend so much money. I think we spend about $2 billion on security.
Yes.
I mean,
unaccounted for.
Unaccounted for.
Yeah.
Yes. With zero result. Yes.
Shame. Can we switch gears? Okay, before we switch gears, bottom line, in 2 weeks' time, what do you think will happen?
Nothing. What will happen? Nothing. I mean, I will not be. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, we need a proper investigation. These AP guys who are on the dock, I don't want to comment about this, but we need to have a proper investigation. Who gave the orders? Did it come from higher officers?
Yeah.
Why did they do it? But you can't entrust Mahora and his team to do this investigation, and I think that's why they were talking of the FBI getting involved.
Correct.
Yes,
I think there's a lot of pressure from Washington because he may have given some information to some NGOs, some international NGOs. You never know.
No, but one of the things that has really damaged Kenya's reputation is this extrajudicial killing. Obama raised it with the Kenyan government some time back.
He did.
The American government, one of the biggest concern was this extrajudicial killing. A lot of people are dying. A lot.
Sure.
People, there have been quite a number of, I think, several hundred Kenyans in remand who are not being taken to court. In various police stations, in various remand.
Yeah.
Mombasa and Lamu are very, very notorious situations.